Hi everyone, this is Adam Roser at the National Weather Service in San Diego here with your weekly weather outlook for October 26th, 2020. And the big events we've been talking about this week will be the fire weather conditions for the early part of the week and then some warmer weather as we head toward the end of the week. So let's get started here. That red flag warning will continue through 6 p.m. Tuesday for many of our northern areas, as you can see on the map below. And these areas will be seeing very gusty winds, 55 to 65 miles per hour as we've seen today, even isolated up to 70 or 80 miles per hour in some of those favored passes. So be very careful if driving into this area. Have an emergency kit ready to go if you are kind of near the foothills into these areas, and avoid any use of equipment that may be able to spark a fire, especially in the next couple of days. We will see much improvement here as we get toward Wednesday by the end of the week, so much better conditions can be expected. Very low relative humidity values are accompanying these Santa Ana winds, so from the coast all the way inland to the mountains and deserts we will be seeing very dry conditions for today into Tuesday. And then, as you can see, by Wednesday these conditions really improve at the coast, but still quite dry as we get into much of the Inland Empire and parts of the mountains here and deserts as well by Wednesday. Very windy conditions. Here are the maximum wind gusts today through early Tuesday afternoon. Those Santa Ana winds will continue to crank here tonight into the early part of tomorrow morning, especially in the mountains and below the Cajon Pass there, and even into Orange County looking quite gusty here. So be very careful with anything that may start a fire, any little things that may start a fire. It will also be very cold tonight. We're looking at some temperatures here in the high desert getting close to freezing, even a little bit below freezing, depending on where you are. So a frost advisory has been issued for this area. So if you have any plants or anything outside, make sure to bring those indoors. It will be quite cold, and especially in the mountains there, even colder around the Big Bear Lake area into the 20s. So it's going to be quite a cold night the next few nights here. As the system starts to exit out of the west. Again, cooler temperatures. Here's a look at Tuesday. Most of the coastal regions will be close to average here, low to mid 70s from San Diego all the way to Irvine. But mid 70s, very comfortable but cool standards here as we get into Palm Springs, only 76 by Tuesday. But then we'll see a subtle warming trend Thursday into the weekend, looking a little warmer and closer to average for many. We'll be seeing highs near 80 into the San Diego valleys, and then low 80s for parts of the high desert into the Inland Empire. So here's just a little recap here. We will have those critical fire weather conditions today through tomorrow, especially into the evening hours. So watch out for those gusty winds. And the winds will mainly be peaking today, not as strong tonight into Tuesday, but still the fire weather conditions will be of a big concern. And then that cooler weather will kind of continue the next couple of days, but then Thursday into the weekend we will be seeing much warmer weather into the area. So thank you so much for watching. Please go to our website, weather.gov/San Diego, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter for more information. Thank you.